If you are a beginner dropshipper or if you are planning to start dropshipping, you must be confused because of the amount of information which is in YouTube and Google, because there are lots of information and one idea contradicts another. So if you are looking for that one video which will help you understand dropshipping completely, which will give you the truth about dropshipping, this is the video. In this video, I want to talk to you, I want to show you the real truth, the harsh truth about dropshipping. Okay, so talking about the title of this video, it's not a clickbait, but the thumbnail is a clickbait, because in the thumbnail what you see is a Lamborghini, but what I actually got is very different. Let me show you. Okay, so here is the car which I'm going to just show you. Okay, so here I am in my car. It is not a Lamborghini, it is the Tata Altroz XZ 2020. But wait, before you dislike or before you click away from this video because I do the clickbait, the reason why I actually do the clickbait is for you to click on this video and watch this, because I want to give you some truth about dropshipping which you have never heard before. Okay, I'm not going to sell you a course, I'm not going to sell you any marketing stuff, I'm not going to do any upsells, not going to do any cross sales. I just want to tell you some truth about dropshipping. Before I talk to you about these harsh truths of dropshipping or why you should try dropshipping, I want you to know that I am not a dropshipping guru or any other online guru. Okay, consider me as yourself from the future, advising you after trying dropshipping for 2 years.
Something that'll make you rich. You want to be rich, don't you?
Oh yeah, sure, right, that's rich. You're gonna make me rich?
2 years ago, I thought that dropshipping will make me a millionaire, dropshipping will buy me a Lamborghini, it will give me a lot more money, it will give me financial freedom. But after trying it out for 2 years, what I experienced is a bit different from what these online gurus are presenting on YouTube. And so I make this video to make you understand. And the reason why I clickbait you by showing a Lamborghini is for you to understand how dropshipping actually works and the real truth about dropshipping. Okay, so watching this video, some of you may get disappointed, but I want to tell you, just keep watching, don't skip a minute to understand the real truth about dropshipping. But also at the end, I will show you why dropshipping is a really good business model to start. And so let's begin with the harsh truth of dropshipping. So the first reality about dropshipping is that the realistic profit you can make from dropshipping is from $2,000 to up to $15,000 every single month before taxes. In my 2 years of experience, after doing the math of all my stores and all the stores I used to work with my partners, the profit per month is actually between $5,000 to up to $7,000. I'm not saying that it is not possible to do $50,000 in profit a month, but those are very, very rare. And on average, you will always end up getting $5,000, $7,000, $8,000 in profit per month. Of course, it is possible to make profit with dropshipping, and it is possible to make decent amount of money from dropshipping, but it is not what these online gurus are presenting here on YouTube. The next misunderstood thing in dropshipping is winning stuff. What does this mean? You see, when somebody, a beginner in dropshipping, they think that a winning product is a magical product. It is a secret product which any dropshipper can find, and if they manage to find it, the product will make them money, the product will make them millions of dollars. But the truth is that a winning product is different for each and every dropshipper. The product which works for me may or may not work for you, and vice versa. You have to find your so-called winning product. It is about showing the right product to the right people. And to find a winning product, you have to do multiple tests. Either you have to test multiple products or multiple advertising or multiple marketing angles. In the same way, the winning video ad is also misunderstood. Most of the beginner dropshippers, they think that there is a particular way the advertisement should look, there's a particular way the text should look, there's a particular way the animation should look to actually make it a winning video ad, to actually make it a very engaging video ad. But the sad truth is that nobody can predict which advertisement, which video ad, or which marketing angle will work unless you actually test it out. So the next time you heard about a winning product or a winning video ad, know that it is not a secret or a magical thing. It is something which you should find by actually doing testing, and a lot of testing. So the next truth about dropshipping is that it is not a smooth ride, it is a very rough ride. Most of the beginners, if you are planning to start dropshipping, you must feel that dropshipping is about making an online store, finding the so-called winning product, and then doing the so-called Facebook strategy which an YouTube guru suggests you, and then you're going to make sales, you're going to make money, you're going to make profit. But in reality, it doesn't work that way, because the first ever product you taste has a 95% probability that it's not going to make you any profit. And for that reason, you will need to do a multiple product taste, or maybe you find very good product and then you do a lot of testing in the marketing side, testing a lot of marketing angles, testing a lot of video ads. There is also a big chance that Facebook will ban your ad account, your business manager. It has happened to me and all the other dropshippers, and it will happen to you obviously. You may appeal and get your account back, but the thing is that if you actually violate a policy, a Facebook ad policy, and if Facebook bans you, they will ban you for life and you will never get your ad account or your business manager back. Okay, that is one thing which you should be careful of, and this will happen more frequently if you are selling skincare or health related products. And if you are a beginner, I'm gonna recommend you to avoid skincare or health related product, because the policy violation rules are much more strict in this category. Not just about how hard it is to find a winning product or the advertising part of things, it is never a smooth ride. Okay, so if you are doing dropshipping, you must be using the Shopify payments, PayPal or Stripe, and you know these companies actually had dropshipping, and for that reason you will get a lot of bans from this company. PayPal will hold your funds, and if you are using Stripe, you must have experienced that Stripe sending you an email. Unfortunately, your business is risky, so we are not able to do business with you, and just close your account. Okay, I have a trick to get rid of that if you are actually facing that. So to do that, the trick is actually, instead of putting your dropshipping website in the Stripe account, put a dummy website which you have to make by paying someone on Fiverr. You can create a dummy website of a website which is selling a course, or a website which is a donation website. Okay, so either a course selling website or a donation website, because if Stripe sees your website to be a product selling website, a website selling physical products, then they will assume that it is dropshipping, and chances are you will get banned. And for that reason, if you want to prevent Stripe from doing that banning stuff, you can actually add a donation website or a course selling website. Okay, so doing dropshipping is never a smooth ride. It is a series of headaches, it is a series of tensions. Okay, so if you are on the path to success in dropshipping, you have to face all this, and it's not easy, my friend, it's not easy. The next harsh truth about dropshipping is that the YouTube videos are misleading. Most of the dropshipping content on YouTube actually meant for views rather than giving you value. If you have ever followed a YouTube guru blindly and you failed, drop a like, because I know for 99% of you, you have followed a guru somewhere in your life about online course or dropshipping, and I know that you have failed. Why does this happen? It is because most of the gurus on YouTube are actually making content for the sake of views to attract these beginners. They make titles which the beginners will find it interesting rather than giving you values. Sometimes you must have seen some YouTube video interviewing a 7-figure dropshipper, a 6-figure dropshipper, a $10 million dropshipper, but you blindly trust that they are interviewing someone who is very successful. But the thing is that nobody actually knows if this guy is actually successful or not. They are just assuming that the guy is successful and interviewing for the sake of YouTube views, so that beginner will come to the video and watch. So before trusting anyone on YouTube blindly and following them, what I want you to do is actually think and see if they are providing real value or not. Because if you are a beginner, chances are you will not know what is the real value or what is not the value. So to find out what is real value and what is not, what you can do is you can ask a dropshipper which you know is already successful. Maybe you know him from a Facebook group or something. See, one of the most misleading titles ever created by a YouTube guru on YouTube is the 30 winning products, is 50 winning product videos. Okay, these videos have no purpose, to be honest. Anyone who is successful in dropshipping knows what I'm talking about. If it's a channel talking about viral products, it's one thing, but a guru talking about 50 winning products, 30 winning products actually mean that the guru is looking for views rather than giving you values. First of all, they have no idea if the product will work or not. Second of all, they are not actually selling the product, and it is not their winning product. What they are doing is blindly collecting these random products from the Facebook or any spy tool which takes like 5 minutes and then just throwing it out for the sake of views. Okay, I also have shared some winning product in my channel in the past, but when I do, it is actually a winning product which I sold, and I actually show you the product right in front of the camera when I do show, right? And I don't show you 10 winning products or 30 winning products. I show you the products which I actually sell and make money with. You must have also seen that a lot of gurus make videos like how to do dropshipping with $100, $200, but in reality, the probability of a beginner starting dropshipping with 200 or 300 bucks and succeeding is next to impossible. If not, it is just impossible. Okay, in 2021 and beyond, I don't think it's even going to happen anymore. Okay, so it's not that possible. The reason why the guru make the video like $200, $300 is because they will attract a lot more beginners to watch the video. That's their main ideology. A lot of Indians, okay, in India, $200 is a big amount of money. A lot of India reached out to me and they told me that they have tried dropshipping with $200, $300, and they have failed. Okay, so they save up this money just to fail, okay, by following a YouTube guru. And if you ask me some of the YouTube gurus which you can actually follow, I'm gonna recommend Gabriel St. Germain. Okay, if you watch his videos, you can see that he doesn't upload frequently on YouTube because I believe that he has a lot of other stuff, other online stuff which is legit, and for that reason he must be busy uploading YouTube videos. And when he does, he makes sure that his content is actually valuable. To be honest, I'm using his method of scaling by lookalike audiences, which he calls super lookalike audience, who is actually working for me. Some of the other gurus which you can actually listen to on YouTube are the Ecom Beast and Baram Ecom. Other than that, most of the gurus I see on YouTube are actually YouTubers, not dropshippers, because they tend to upload a lot more videos pretending to be giving value. But I want to say that most of the videos they make are actually meant for fun, not for value. I'm not saying that they are not the legit dropshippers or they don't know how dropshipping works. What I want to say is that they make videos for the sake of views rather than values. So next time, understand how this YouTube thing works. So now guys, you have heard all the bad sides about dropshipping, why it is very hard, why it doesn't make you much profit like it seems when the online guru talk about making millions of dollars. Now I'm going to tell you why starting dropshipping is a very good idea and why you should start dropshipping. Okay, so the very first reason why you should start dropshipping is because unlike any other business, it takes very smaller amount of budget, smaller amount of money. You can start with just $2,000 or $3,000, and if you look in the real world, starting a business with $2,000 or $3,000 is actually really cool, because it is really actually hard to start a business with this amount of money. But like I said, it is not possible to make very much profit or very much money with dropshipping, but still it is a good business model. Why? Because when you do dropshipping, when I do dropshipping, the idea I have in my mind is not that I'm gonna make $1 million, I'm not gonna become very successful, but the idea I have in my mind is that I'm learning a lot of skills. Okay, doing dropshipping, you are learning e-commerce, you are learning Shopify, Facebook ads, Google ads. Okay, and these skills you can apply in almost anything. Even if you have your own product in the future, or even if you invent something you can sell through Shopify, you with Facebook ads, you need these skills. Okay, also dropshipping is very cool because once you get the business experience and once your first online business succeeds, that is, once your first dropshipping business succeeds, you will get a lot of different ideas, and from that it will kickstart your online money-making online thing, and then you will build a lot of multiple businesses, of which I'm doing right now. Because the first ever business which I succeed is dropshipping, and after that I get a lot of these different ideas, and now I am doing a lot of different businesses online. Okay, and if you are a teenager who wants to just drop out of school or college and do like be your own boss and do and stuff, then dropshipping is right for you. If you want to quit your job, okay, dropshipping is right for you, because once your dropshipping business succeeds, I'm going to tell you, you will get a lot of business experience that you will know what to actually do, and you will know what will make you money, what will not make you money, and that is the cool part. Okay, so see, 2 years ago I was in college, and now I dropped out. I'm making much money, decent money online, and I'm paying for my parents, I'm paying the house bills, and all this is made possible because of dropshipping. Of course, it is not all dropshipping money, but still, it is where it all started, and for that reason, you want to try dropshipping. That is it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, I know you get some value if you are planning to start dropshipping, or if you are a beginner dropshipper, because what I just said is the real truth about dropshipping. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you want to make a 6-figure income in 2021, like this video. And this is the end of 2020. I hope 2021 is beautiful for you, beautiful for your family. Hope you are doing great. Hope you will do great, and thank you and peace out. Bye bye.